Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Meet for your benefit. Now it's always good to be in touch with your colleagues as well as customers at every point in time, because in sales we always talk about over the mind awareness and we always want to be in touch with the people we know, our existing customers, our prospects, everyone. We want to be in touch with them, we want to have regular interactions with them, and we want to have regular interactions with our team members. And for this reason I would like to show you how to use Google Meet in order to facilitate this, in order to easily use this, because Google Meet is a very secure platform. It is already available for all the G Suite customers. So if you are a G Suite customer, you already have it. And if you are not a G Suite customer, you can always contact us and we can make it available for you. So Google Meet is a very easy and simple to use platform which is embedded within G Suite and Google Chrome. So to use Google Meet, you can simply go to meet.google.com to generate a meeting URL or a meeting link by just clicking on the join or start a meeting. We give you a unique URL for each conversation so that there is no episode of people barging into your meetings unknowingly. And even if somebody has that meeting link with them, they won't be able to access that specific meeting unless you approve their access into that specific meeting. So it's a very safe platform. This is just one of the way in which you can create a Google Meet invitation. The most recommended way of creating the invitation is something which I usually do. I go into calendars, which is Google Calendars, and I schedule a meeting with my participants, be it my customers, my prospects, or even my team members. This is a very easy to use facility because it also creates a calendar invite for them and also embeds the meeting invitation with the video call so that people know where to join that meeting and they just have to click on that link and everyone's on the call. It's very simple. So I can simply go ahead and create an event over here in the Google Calendar. I would simply click on the slot wherein I want to have the meeting, and let me just say demo meeting. And I would go ahead and add a guest into this meeting. Let me add the page. And if you notice, this is my demo console wherein I'm giving you this demo. So the user who's creating this meeting is known as john@cloudbegin.com, and he's inviting a person, the page Banushali, who is part of Gulf Infotech. Now this also shows you that you can invite people outside your organization and they would be able to join easily without having a G Suite or a Gmail account. So as you see, the moment I created the calendar, the Google Meet link is already added into the session so that I don't have to create a separate link and share it with them. And the link is so simple to read and share. It's just a small URL which you can share it with your participants and others who want to join that meeting. Now I'll simply say save, and this invitation would go to my participants along with the meeting link, which is the video conferencing link. As you can see, guests from outside the organization are being invited. I will simply grant access to that and invite external guests so that people can be invited. And I can simply go into the meeting link when the time is right. When the meeting has arrived, I can go into the meeting link and join the Hangouts Meet or Google Meet conversation by just clicking on the join Google Meet link on the calendar. So when I do that, I am prompted to enable my video camera and microphone. And if you have disabled that previously, you would be given this prompt. You can simply go back and enable the video camera and microphone access to Google Chrome so that they can allow you to see this particular meeting. And as you can see, Google Meet allows you to preview your video and disable the video and microphone before you join the conversation. Now I'll quickly just turn off my microphone and join the conversation as a demo. Now within Google Meet, you would be able to share your screen by clicking on the present now button, wherein you can have a conversation with your participants and explain to them what's on your screen and make the conversation more fun and interactive. You can simply do that by clicking on the present now button, and you can start sharing your screen. You can also record your conversation by clicking on the record meeting button. Now this feature is available for all the G Suite Enterprise customers, and everyone who is on G Suite Basic and Business would get access to this feature until the 30th of September based on Google's initiative towards the COVID-19 scenario. So everyone who are on G Suite have this feature until the 30th of September. Now this feature is really amazing, which is the record meeting, wherein the conversation is recorded and saved directly into Google Drive. So it is not a local recording which happens, it is a cloud recording which happens, so that you can easily share it with the people you want to share it with at a later stage. You don't have to upload anything back onto any platform to do the sharing. It's automatic. Right? If you have added any attachments or files while creating that calendar, you would be able to access them by clicking on the bottom left corner of your screen and clicking on the attachments, so that you can see the attachments on that video call itself. And Google, by its nature, is to facilitate collaboration between team members, and that's one of the reasons why we have all these features within Google Meet. Now Google Meet can also be initiated by going into the chat platform of Google, which is chat.google.com, and you can start a conversation with your team members on Google Chat and initiate a Google Meet session by sending them an invitation on the chat platform itself. So to do that, I can simply click on the participant or the team member I want to talk to, and I can invite them by clicking on the video call button on the screen. So I can simply click on the video call button and send them a video invitation, so that I can start a video meeting through Google Meet on Hangouts chat. So that's another feature or another way of initiating a Hangouts chat, initiating a Google Meet session through Google Chat. Now you might have seen that I'm shifting between names between Hangouts chat, Google Chat, and Google Meet and Google Hangouts Meet. Now basically the solution has been renamed recently. Now Hangouts Meet and Hangouts Chat are now called as Google Meet and Google Chat. This is based on Google's initiative to streamline the naming of these platforms and to give it a better sense of understanding on why this platform can be used between its customers. Now before I leave you with this amazing facility, I would also like to talk to you about something which can be used during the work from home scenario. That is a digital whiteboard. So Google also has something of a digital whiteboard called the Jamboard. Now Jamboard was previously only available for the devices, but then Google has made it available through its Google Drive platform, and you can easily create a Jamboard by going in to New, going into More, and you can simply say Google Jamboard. Now with Jamboard, you have all the collaboration facilities which are available within the G Suite platform within Google Drive on a digital whiteboard. Now you can collaborate with your colleagues over a whiteboard. Consider you guys are at home working from home and you want to brainstorm an idea. You want to brainstorm a solution for one of your customers, and you can easily do that using the Jamboard solution by Google. It has the same sharing capabilities as that of the other Google Drive elements. By clicking on share, you can share with the other people. And you also have the same collaboration functionality. So you can simply click on the pen icon and start drawing on the Jamboard. And if another party or the other person with whom the Jamboard has been shared with, he is also typing from that side, you would be able to see it in real time. So we maintain the real-time collaboration of G Suite on the digital whiteboard as well. So that's one of the amazing features along with Google Meet and Google Chat, which I wanted to talk to you about in this video. So I would leave you with that specific thought. I would recommend you use Google Meet and Google Chat for your internal and external communication, and be in touch with your team members and customers, and I wish you grow your business even more stronger. Stay safe, and if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to put it up on below the video or on this page, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thank you and stay safe.